Reading Pioneers is proud to present Ninja Life Hacks Lunar New Year by Mary Nihn. Lunar New Year is so neat. The holiday brings a bustling beat. Dragon dances, lanterns aglow. Let me share a story. Come on, let's go! First, the dragon dance is quite a sight. Twisting and twirling, its colors so bright. The drums pound loud, the cymbals clang. But I shy away, in the shadows I hang. My friends invite me, come join the fun. But fear grips me. I want to run. The dragon's fierce eyes, its giant size. I tremble and shake. I close my eyes. Then I hear musical things. It's Happy Ninja who joyfully sings. Shy Ninja, don't you see? The dragon's not scary. Come with me. Happy Ninja takes my hand, leads me near. Explaining the dance eases my fear. See? The dragon's just fabric, poles, and parts. There's people inside with real beating hearts. The beat of the drums, the swish and sway, trying to nudge all my fears away. I focus on my breathing and dare to try to join the dance. Oh my, oh my! Step by step, I find my groove. Twirling around, I start to move. With each twist and turn, I feel the thrill. I use positive self talk. I can and I will. The dragon dances. Through streets we roam. From house to house we happily comb. Gongs and cheers fill the air. The New Year's joy is everywhere. Children laugh, parents smile wide. All are caught in the joyous tide. With lanterns aglow and fireworks high, we welcome luck. We reach for the sky. My shyness melts, fears fly away. In the dragon dance, I find my way. With each twirl and each sway, I embrace my shy, timid display. The dragon's rhythm, the beats so strong, helps me realize where I belong. Not hiding away, but in the light, dancing proudly. It feels so right. As the dance continues and drummers do their best, I receive red envelopes, feeling so blessed. I open it gently with eyes full of glee, a token of kindness meant just for me. I learn about Lai See, so bright and so red, filled with love, good wishes, as it's often said. To receive and to give, a gesture so kind. It warms up the heart, a joy rare to find. The festival ends with a radiant glow, but memories linger, a warm, exciting show. I realized something on that special day. Let your spirit soar. Give FUN a play. Remembering the FUN method could be your secret weapon when fear strikes. Focus on breathing. Use positive self talk. Nudge your fears aside. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Ninja Life Hacks Lunar New Year by Mary Nihn. This year is the Year of the Dragon. So, I hope this Lunar New Year is special for you as this book was for me. You can visit ninjalifehacks.tv to learn more about the Ninja Life Hacks series that Mary has written and obtain free materials for young readers from the dozens of other children's books. Also consider following Mary on her social media for updates and more content such as Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. All links are provided in the description box below. It would also be appreciative if you left a review of this book on Amazon to let her and myself know your thoughts and suggestions. Mary has asked me to read so many of her books on this channel, and I'm extremely grateful for all of these reading opportunities. So, if you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. We also have an Etsy store with some RP merch featuring our mascot, a cute red panda that we hope you check out. Additionally, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe while clicking the notification bell to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today. Before leaving, you can check out a playlist of other Ninja Life Hacks by Mary Nihn, and don't forget to visit Amazon to purchase a copy of Lunar New Year for yourself or a loved one. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing year. Bye-bye!